received new display service pack. It was original version. Now it is installed on this phone. When I received, I compared, everything is the same like in original. This is original broken one, removed from this phone. New display is installed. Everything is working except fingerprints are not working. Okay, I will show you. When I removed the display, I noticed discoloration in this area. Just looked some of this area different color, another little bit area different color, so it looked like little bit uneven discoloration, like this, like different color in some places in this area. Besides that, everything looked okay, so I installed it, and now I have issues with the fingerprints. By the way, in some other reviews videos on internet, I saw there was a sticker on this part. They peel it off and then install this new display, but mine display from this box service pack had no protection sticker, nothing, and right away noticed that there is some discoloration in this area. So I installed it, and now I will show you, it does not read fingerprints as it suppose. For example, I cannot read original fingerprints, phone does not read, and when I try to add new one, it does not work either. I will show you. Okay, so we go here, add. Okay, it won't recognize. I know it does not. It tries to recognize a little bit, you see, but it does not. It says clean sensor area, but it's not about that. It tries to read, but it does not work. No matter how many times I cleaned or tried, it cannot complete. I tried to different spots, now it always do not finish. It reads a little bit, but it cannot. I think it's due to that discoloration I saw. I will try again. Add finger. I tried all fingers. It's not about fingers. Fingers are okay. It's not about fingers. On other phones, I have other phones. I filming with one. It works fine. So it's not about fingers. It's not about how I do it. It's about the sensor. It's about the sensor. I cannot. I tried many times. I cannot complete. It's not possible. Okay, so